We mentioned Sioux City has still issued their snow emergency. Vehicles should not be left unattended on any emergency snow route street. In residential zones, cars should be parked on the even side of the street until 7 in the morning. That's right, be sure to move your vehicles to the odd side of the street before tomorrow morning.
At 7 a.m. we'll go ahead and switch sides of the street, and what that does, that allows our staff to go up and down each side of the street, hopefully opposing sides of the street, unobstructed by parked vehicles, and that way we can clear the streets more effectively.
If you are looking to call a snow removal company for your home professionally, you may want to wait until the snow stops falling.
You know, residential snow removal, we don't go out and do those residents until the snow is finished. With the snow continuing to accumulate, you know, we don't want to remove their snow and then need to come back and charge them again when we could have just waited to have it done. So we wait till it's finished and then we come and clean it off.
The snow emergency expected to end at 6 p.m. tomorrow in Woodbury County.